Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and another video of Dart language training course. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about loops in Dart language. Loops are fundamental constructs in programming that allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly based on certain conditions. In Dart, loops are essential for executing a block of code multiple times based on specified conditions. They allow developers to perform repetitive tasks efficiently, avoiding the need to write redundant code. Open up dartpad.dev and let's start programming and talk about loops. The first statement I want to talk about is the for loop. The for loop is used when the number of iterations is known beforehand. It consists of three main parts: initialization part, condition part, and increment or decrement part. For example, for int n equals 0 and less than or equals to 5 and plus print n. I run the program and you can see the result of the loop in the console. The next statement I want to talk about is the for-in loop. The for-in loop is designed for iterating over elements in a collection, such as lists or sets, without needing to manage an index. For example, list numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for int number in numbers. Print number. I run the code and you can see the result of the statements. To get the index, we can use the index of method. For example, int index equals numbers dot index of number. Print index equals $index and I run the code and you can see the indexes in the console. The next statement I want to talk about is the for each method. The for each method is another way to iterate over collections. It takes a function as an argument and applies it to each element in the collection. For example, list numbers dot for each callback function number and print number. I run the code and you can see the results. All right. And you can write in a more concise way and the result of both expressions is the same. Numbers dot For each number, print number. I run the code again, and you can see the result in the console. Very well. Let's talk about the while loop. The while loop continues executing as long as a specified condition remains true. It is useful when the number of iterations is not known beforehand. For example, int condition equals 5, int counter equals 1, while counter less than or equals to condition print hello dart. And I print counter equals $sign counter and \m for new line and counter plus plus. I run the program and you can see that hello dart is printed 5 times. For practice, you can increase or decrease the numbers and see different results. Alright, let's talk about the do-while loop. The do-while loop guarantees that the body will execute at least once before checking the condition. For example, in the condition and counter, do print hello dart counter plus plus and while counter less than or equal to condition. I run the program and you can see the result in the console. Very well. Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will see you in the next video.